Hello everyone, this is the second video on Unit 10 haloalkanes and haloarenes. In this video, I will be explaining the nomenclature. Now firstly, nomenclature. When we nomenclature, we'll be studying in terms of common system and the IUPAC system. Now one thing you have to remember here is that in common system, the number of naming is very easy, but in IUPAC system, you have to remember is that numbering of the carbon atoms. Numbering of the carbon atoms should be done when you have to give the IUPAC name of the given compound. Now let's check out some examples giving their common names and IUPAC names. Now firstly, if we have the general formula Rx, this is our R means any alkyl group, X is our halogen atoms. Now the common name is known as alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is the common name, and the IUPAC name will be known as haloalkane. This is the IUPAC name, and then this is the common name. Now let's check out some more examples. Now if we have here molecule CH3, CH2, Cl. Now we have here two carbon atoms and then halogen atom chlorine is attached to here. Now let's first give this its common name. Two carbon atoms meet ethane means, therefore it will be known as ethyl. Chlorine atom, it will be known as chloride, ethyl chloride. That is the common name. IUPAC name will be chloroethane. Now second molecule, second example, CH3, CH3. If we have here Cl. Now firstly, let's check out the common name. We have a meet it prop, three carbon atoms here. The carbon one of the halogen atom appears to be in a branch structure. Therefore, the name here will be isopropyl, three carbon atoms, isopropyl chloride. And then in the IUPAC name, we'll be naming here 1, 2, or 3, or you can start from here 1, 2, or 3. It's the same because the position of the halogen atom is with respect to the second carbon atom. Therefore, the name here will be 2-chloropropane. Now, the third example, CH3, CH, CH2, Cl, CH3. Now, the common name here will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. Common name, it is branched. Therefore, here also it will be isobutyl chloride. Common name is isobutyl chloride. IUPAC name, here we have our halogen atoms were given the first numbering 1, 2, or 3, or you can go up 1, 2, or 3. It's the same whether you come in this, you go straight line or you move up. Now the position of chloro, you can write 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon atoms. Therefore it will be 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. Now another example, CH2, Cl. Let's give here CH3, CH3. Now let's move to let's first give here 1, 2, 3. You can move down here or up here. Therefore IUPAC here name here also will be 1 chloro. In position number 2, we have two substituents that has no numbering. Therefore, these two will be considered as the substituent. Therefore, we have 2 methyl group. Therefore, it will be 2,2-dimethyl. 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, PRO. 1 chloro, 2,2-dimethyl propane. This is the nomenclature of our haloalkanes. Now, if you check our haloarenes, represented by the general formula haloarenes. IUPAC name will be named as haloarene, and then the common name will be given aryl halide. Now, the difference when we are naming haloarenes is that in haloarenes, the naming will be given in terms of, if our halogen atom is attached here, their naming will be given in terms of ortho, meta, and para positions. This one with respect to this meta, this with respect ortho. The naming in command system for haloarenes will be given in terms of ortho, meta, and para positions, whereas the nomenclature for the IUPAC system will be done with the help of numbering as in haloalkanes. Now let's check our first example. Our benzene ring attached with one halogen atom. Here its name is chlorobenzene. The PNZE and benzene. Here in this type of examples, in this type of haloarenes, the IUPAC name as well as the command name will be the same, chlorobenzene, because we have only one halogen atom attached here. Now the second example, let's check here. One halogen atom, second halogen. Now if we check this as the main carbon atom, that means these are ortho meta position. Therefore the command name will be meta 2 chlorine atoms dichlorobenzene. Meta dichlorobenzene, this is the command name, and then the IUPAC name here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The numbering, we have numbering here, we have the chlorine atom attached is position number 1 and position number 3. Therefore it will be 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. This is the IUPAC name of our molecule. Now if we check here the third example here, suppose let's take our bromine atom here. Bromine, 3 halogen atoms are attached. Now this is an example of a symmetrical haloarene. Now therefore the command name here will be SYM symmetrical dry. 3 bromine atoms, they are dry bromobenzene. Since this is an example of a symmetrical haloarenes, this is the command name. Now if we check the IUPAC name, our IUPAC name here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is in position number 1, 3, and 5. Therefore it will be 1, 3, 5 dry bromobenzene. Therefore, these are some examples of haloalkanes and haloarenes.